Here's what you need to know before you dive into A9. The opposite of raising a number to the power of 2 is finding its square root. Likewise, the opposite of raising a number to the power of 3 is finding its cube root. So for example, 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So 2 cubed is 8. That means that the cube root of 8 is 2. So for this lesson, it could be useful to memorize all of your cube roots so you don't need to keep guessing and checking on your calculator. Let's look at some examples. What is the cube root of 27? Well, since 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, our answer must be 3. Next, what's the cube root of 64? Well, since 4 times 4 times 4 is 64, our answer is 4. Next, we have the cube root of 1. Since 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, the cube root of 1 is 1. Next, how can you support this channel to continue making videos? Well, that's pretty easy. You just need to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Next, what's the cube root of 1000? Well, if we ignore the zeros at first and focus on the 1, the cube root of 1 is 1. And since the cube root is the third power, we need to divide how many extra zeros there are by 3. Since there are 3 extra zeros, our answer should only have 1 0, giving us a final answer of 10. Next, what is the cube root of 125? Well, since 5 times 5 times 5 is 125, our answer must be 5. Next, what is the cube root of 0? Well, since 0 times 0 times 0 equals 0, the cube root of 0 is 0. Next, we have the cube root of negative 729. Well, since I know 729 is less than 1000, our answer is less than 10. If I check 9, 9 times 9 is 81, and 81 times 9 is 729. So our answer must be 9, but since the number in the radicand is negative, our answer is negative 9. And that's because a negative times a negative makes a positive, but then that positive times a third negative makes it negative again. That's all I've got for this lesson, but if you want to see more videos just like this, you should check out the Algebra 1 IXL playlist right here. This is Mr. Leo with Epic Math. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.